In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable, create, edit, insert, and delete email templates in Gmail, a feature formerly known as canned responses. Whether you're looking to save time on repetitive emails or streamline your communication, email templates can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through this process step by step. To start, you'll need to enable templates in your Gmail settings. Head over to your Gmail account, and once you're logged in, look for the Settings menu. This is usually indicated by the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on this icon to open the drop-down menu and select See All Settings. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Advanced tab. This will allow you to see a variety of options that aren't enabled by default. In this section, look for the option labeled Templates. Once you find it, click on Enable to activate email templates. After you've done this, be sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Save Changes to confirm. Now that templates are enabled, let's create one. To do this, compose a new email. You'll see the usual blank message screen where you can type your email. Enter the text you want to save as a template in the body of the email. This can be a standard message you often send, like a monthly report reminder or a scheduling request. When you're happy with your message, click on the three-dot icon at the bottom right of the Compose window. In the menu that appears, hover over Templates, and then click on Save Draft as Template, and select Save as New Template. You're free to give your template a name. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily find it later. Next, if you need to edit a template, start by composing a new email and click the three-dot menu again. Navigate to Templates, then under the Insert Template list, select the template you wish to edit. Once you've inserted it into the email draft, make the necessary changes. When you're finished, hit the three-dot menu one more time, hover over Templates, and choose Save Draft as Template. This time, select the original template name to overwrite it. Inserting a template into your emails can be done quickly. Simply open your email draft, click the three-dot menu, and choose your template from the Insert Template list. The content will automatically populate in your draft, ready for you to send. Finally, if you decide you no longer need a specific template, deleting it is simple. Access your templates by clicking on Templates via the Compose screen, and under Delete Template, select the one you wish to remove. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your email templates in Gmail, making your email communication smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!